Welcome back. Do you got a minute? Well, let me rephrase that. Do you have 30 seconds to a minute to remove the frustration factor from your life? If you're a chef, you know what a dull knife can do to your day. It can wreck it. Well, I'm here with Daryl from Tormek, and you have the T2 here with us. And I tell you what, you're putting big smiles on the chefs all across America because we believe this is actually going to revolutionize the industry. Now I can have a sharp edge whenever I need it, and you know, that's going to make every chef in America happy.
Yes, correct. I'm finding a lot of happy people out there when I go demo this. And all I do is show it to chefs, culinary teams, anyone that handles knives, and they get it right away. It's like, wow, that is really cool. It's very safe, it's easy, and it's fast.
Now, am I right if I feel the knife is going a little dull, 30 seconds to a minute on this wheel, we're back in business?
Yes, correct, because what we've got is a repeatable edge. It's a jig. We just slide it through, and it becomes a repeatable edge, and that is what will help you keep your knife sharp, helps you maintain an edge. And once you get a good edge on a knife, if you maintain it, it'll last a lot longer.
So there's no learning curve on this really, and there's no estimation, there's no eyeballing it. I dial it in, I'm ready to go, and I got a sharp knife.
Yes, correct. It's very minimal learning. I mean, we learn on anything we do, driving a car even or whatever.
Right.
But you basically just very minimal learning. You set it up at the degrees you want it, a 30-degree bevel on your knife, set it at 15, and you start pulling it through. And basically it's just a motion you do with your hand, and that makes a sharp knife, so it's very quick.
Well, I tell you what, chefs across America have to be a whole lot happier, and Daryl, you have to be their new best friend.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
with that said, right now, I know they'd like that website out there. What's the best way for them to learn more about that Tormek T2?
Yes, so the best way to get a hold of us is affinityculinary.com. It's got a website there, it's got the information on it, it's got our phone number, you can call the office, but affinityculinary.com is a good way to reach out to us.
Easy enough, Daryl. Thanks again for being on.
Thank you very much. Thank you.